ROSLAN, and my group member is SYAZRIEN EFFENDI and Zarul Iskandar. And I will explain about jigs and fixtures. Jigs and fixtures are manufacturing tools that allow for the precise production of duplicate and interchangeable parts. Jigs and fixtures are specifically intended to ensure that a large number of identical components may be machined or assembled, as well as component interchangeability. In simple terms, a jig is a tool that guides the machining tool. It is a work-holding device that holds, supports, and locates the workpiece and guides the cutting tool for a specific operation. The drill jig is a common type of jig that guides the drill to make holes in certain spots. Drill jig develop largely the rate of output. On the other hand, a fixture is a tool that firmly grips and workpiece on the machine bed accurately at the desired location. It is a work-holding device that holds, supports, and locates the workpiece for a specific operation but does not guide the cutting tool. It provides only a reference surface or a device. What makes a fixture unique is that each one is built to fit a particular part or shape. The main purpose of a fixture is to locate and, in some cases, hold a workpiece during either a machining operation or some other industrial process. For the next slide I will explain about difference between jigs and fixtures. Jigs is a device primarily used to guide the cutter to repeatedly move at predefined location on the workpiece. Jigs can also hold, support, and locate the workpiece, while fixtures is a device used to rigidly grip, support, and locate the workpiece, maintaining indeed orientation. It does not guide the cutter to move to a particular location. A jig is usually lighter in weight. Sometimes jigs are held only by hand without clamping, while fixtures is commonly heavier and robust as it is required to sustain the cutting force and vibration. It is clamped firmly with work table. Jig is considered easy to use and less skill is required to operate this device, while fixtures is somewhat complicated to use and require skill. This is no additional device is required for locating the cutter with respect to job, while fixtures is additional accessories like block, gouge are desired to accurately move the cutter in intent location. Jig is frequently used in drilling, boring, reaming, and tapping, while fixtures is employed in milling, planing, shaping, and slotting.
Justification of the product. I want to tell you about the justification of the product. My product needs an accurate hole to achieve the usefulness of the product. During product production process, the use of the jig is essential because the product requires proper accuracy. The result of this jig, it will make it easier to do the work and to achieve the desired goal. With this jig, the product can be produced in large quantity and quickly without measuring or calculating precisely to produce hole in the product. Justification of jig. Inside the slideshow, the jig used to producing the product. The use of the thread on the drive ball is to hold the product tightly so the product cannot move when the hole is made. When the process is carried out, a strong grip is required because it will result in strong friction on the product since the work is carried out is iron.
For next, this is the 3D model assembly for our jig and fixture design. Here is the exploded view and bill of materials for our design. It consists of 12 parts which are screw, fixture, V-block, product, base, hexagonal bolt, V-block, adjuster, bolt, ring, pin, and lever. This is our exploded view for our jig and fixture.
Process planning. Process planning is a manufacturing process that helps engineers organize, simulate, and manage manufacturing information while working together to align manufacturing plan with product design. Manufacturing process planning include operating sequence, machining process planning, assembly process planning, and assembly line planning, as well as a plant communication across organization and advanced enterprise. This process sheet is a set that describes the journey of our jig making process. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.